Your lesson essential question, just like yesterday, is how do we solve problems involving coins? So just like yesterday, we're going to continue solving problems with coins. We're going to take it a little bit further today, so our problems are going to be a little more difficult. We're also going to get into some subtraction. I have this word problem. Toby buys a toy dinosaur for 68 cents. He pays with 3/4. How much change should Toby get? So first, take a look at this problem. What is it asking us to find? Yep, it's asking us how much change he'll get. Now, change is the money you get back after paying for something. What information is going to help us solve this? All right, he buys the dinosaur for 68 cents and he pays with 3/4. What do we need to do first to solve this problem? So this is a two-step problem, and the first thing we need to do is figure out how much 3/4 equals. So let's draw our 3/4. 1, 2, 3. They all equal 25 cents. So we need to add 25 plus 25 plus 25. So start with 2. 25 plus 25 is 50. Add another quarter, we have 75. So Toby's paying with 75 cents. What's the second step to this problem? Okay, we know that the dinosaur costs 68 cents. He hands 3/4 or 75 cents to the cashier. Now we need to subtract that 68 cents. Go ahead and solve that on your own. All right, I'm going to solve it using a number line. You may have solved it a different way, and that's completely fine. I'm going to count up on a number line. So I'll start with 68, and I've got to jump to 75. So let's jump first to the closest 10. Now 68, I know the next 10 is 70. So 68, 69, 70. So I jumped 2 ones. If I jump a whole 10, I'll get to 80. That's too far. So I see that I only need to jump 5 to get to 75. Now I add my jumps together. 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7. So how much change does he get? He gets 7 cents. You're going to be working on word problems today.